Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, my client is getting a corporate haircut. You guys are gonna be doing a lot of corporate haircuts. Most of your money is gonna come from the working man. So you're gonna be doing a lot of these corporate haircuts. That's why I keep making a lot of these videos. So I'm gonna be walking you through all the steps as we go along. Now guys, keep in mind that this is a real client in a real barbershop scenario. Likes, shares, comments, all of that is welcome so that YouTube knows to push the video along to other viewers so that they too can watch it and learn. Now, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss so you don't miss any new tutorials.
Alright guys, let's begin!
My client wants to keep the sides dark, so to do this, I attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. This is what I use to establish the guideline. For this blend, I'm using the 357 Magnum by Caliber. Attach a 6 guard and fully extend the blade. Move your clipper straight up with this guard. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 4 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Avoid cutting the hair at the top of the blend. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. The next step is to clean up your lineup with a straight razor. The next step is to remove a little weight from the top and create some texture. If your corporate haircut looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be practicing, always be learning, and always be humble. Being able to consistently do these things will bring you to greatness a whole lot faster than you could ever imagine. All of the clippers and trimmers in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.